Mabuhay, Philippines! Come on, baby.
Oh, ayan, ang kapal ng snow sa labas, oh. Ayan. Yung sasakyan ko natabunan ng snow. Tapos yung mga puno rin, natabunan na rin ng snow doon. Grabe, ang kapal talaga ng snow, mga loves, ang lalim.
Sounds like a pretty good sized area. So,
The whole area?
well, the whole area, but the lady said that there was another call in our community, which I don't know what that means. I don't know how big an area that means, but
Yeah.
because she knows off of our land location where we are, right? So
Good thing our fireplace is still on for heating our house, love.
that's why we have these. That's why if I were to switch this, I'd only switch it to a wood stove, because wood stove you can still make heat too, right? But this one runs no matter what. The fan just won't turn on, but it'll.
Is that by electricity too?
What?
That fireplace?
No, the power's off. There's no electricity, so it creates its own electricity to run
Okay.
itself.
Wow.
And the one on the other side, they're just running. If the power goes out, I just put a couple of batteries in it, and we could have heat on that
Yeah.
other one on the far end of the house too. So,
So we're just using candles, mga love. So
for the moment,
mag 1 hour and a half na ata ang blackout dito. Wala pa akong naluto, wala pa akong sinaing. At tingnan nyo naman si Alicia Marie at ako dito, nakahiga lang kami sa couch, ha? We're just laying down sa couch. Tapos si Alicia, she cannot see my face that much. Kaya aburida siya. Yes. So si Daddy, he's trying to turn on more lights.
lights, yeah, lights.
We should eat canned goods,
Where's
love.
the rest of our candles, love?
In the washroom, there is one.
I thought there was one there, but I didn't see it.
So, mga lights namin.
Oh, I don't know in the washroom here, it's easy. And there's no water right now either, right? So
Oh, we cannot drink water?
if you pee, don't flush the toilet.
Okay.
Only flush toilet if you poop, because you're only gonna get one flush.
Okay.
So if you pee, don't flush toilet.
Okay. How about the drinking water, babe?
There will be a little bit in that tap until that little pressure tank underneath the sink runs out. But yeah, there's not much. There'll be some, because the pressure tank underneath the house has about 20 gallons or 30 gallons in it until we run out of pressure. So there will be some for drinking water. But
Yeah,
not a lot.
I'm
There's
worried
milk and
of.
stuff there too.
I'm just worried of Alicia.
You got boobies.
I know, but I need to drink too. I'm thirsty.
Yeah, you can still drink water.
Yeah. Daddy, what's the reason why there's no electricity?
I don't know, love. I can't tell you.
What the lady told you when you
She
called?
said we got people on it looking after it. We got sending out people to check it out.
Oh,
It's probably a tree. This snow is quite heavy, right? Because it's quite wet,
yeah.
quite warm outside.
Yeah.
Probably a good chance a tree fell over and hit the power line or something like that.
Oh.
And that's what put it out. That's probably what happened. Something like that. Would be my guess. I need
Yeah.
one more candle to try to put something in the kitchen.
Upstairs, there's candle, I guess. Wala kaming kuryente, mga loves. Hindi pa kami nakakain. Gabi na kasi walang kuryente ang aming bahay. At lahat dito sa bahay, di kuryente. So, I don't know how can we eat. I don't know how can we eat, love?
Bread.
Bread. We don't have bread, love.
Yes, we do. We got a whole loaf in the cupboard.
You did not buy that.
Maybe it's silver.
So, bread lang kakainin namin siguro, yun lang. Tapos dilata. Hindi ako nakaluto ng sinigang ko. Sana kanina ang umaga nagluto na ako. Because I don't know that it's gonna be like this.
Nobody plans for this.
Yeah, no one plans for this.
But that's why we have a fireplace like this one, because we can stay warm. You can live without food for a little while. You can't live without heat.
Yeah. Good thing with my fireplace pa kami.
Hi. Good. Are you guys out of power too? Yeah. Okay, just checking. I figured you probably were, so I just figured that I wasn't the only one.
Ang mga neighbors namin wala ding power. Akala ko kami lang. So we don't know the reason why we don't have power yet. Pero mga kapitbahay namin nagtawagan para mag-inquire kung may mga power din sa house nila. So, kaka-change lang namin ng diaper ni baby. Gamit ang flashlight ni Daryl.
in the spotlight.
So, at may candle din kami dyan. For 4 years, living here is our first time, babe, that na brand out, na black out, mga loves.
Yeah, it's dark in here for sure. And of course, it happens at like 5 o'clock at night when it's dark.
No, it started 4, love. It started 4. Let's find some food here, Daddy. Can you flashlight me, please? Ayan. So, ay,
Chocolate chips. We can eat chocolate chips.
yeah, so maghanap tayo ng mga sa makalat kong pantry, mga loves ng food. Ano bang makakain natin? May corned beef. I have corned beef here, Daddy.
You can't eat that cold.
You want corned beef?
You can't eat that cold.
Well, hindi mo lang ako makaano ng microwave. Anong microwave?
No microwave, love.
Oh, ayan. Sardinas, Daddy. Do you want sardinas?
On sardines.
Hindi ko makain si Daddy. Masyado ng sardinas. Gusto niya kung gisa-gisa lang. Ay, ito, Daddy.
Beans we
Maple.
can eat cold. Those are
Okay. Put it there, Daddy. There. Kakainin namin yan. What else we can find here sa
There's
ating
bread in the cupboard. I'll just have a sandwich.
mahiwagang. Okay.
You can have a sandwich.
Ayan.
There's cheese in the fridge.
We have these two mga loves.
Oh, no, I do not like
Pero
those.
ayan ni
Those
Daryl.
are terrible.
Ito, we have this, pero wala kaming electric. Wala kaming tubig, wala kaming electric. And on the top, Daddy, there madami kaming mga noodles, pero wala kaming tubig and nagsiserve kami ng tubig para pang inom lang namin yun ni Daryl ngayong
This
gabi.
is off too long. I'll get the generator going. We can make
Yeah.
some hot water or whatever.
And
we can make some.
Milo, I really want to have hot chocolate or Milo, Daddy.
Look at Milo and you want it.
I know.
You can't have it.
And here we have oatmeal. Do you want oatmeal, Daddy, or milk? We can
Milk. We can have cereal.
cereals for
And there's that
tonight.
cereal there too.
Where?
Right here. Look where my flashlight is pointing.
Yan. But I'm
We
not.
can have cereal for supper. That would work.
Ayan,
We do
so-
have milk. I know that.
So ito, do you want this, Daddy, or do you want this one here?
No, I'll have cereals.
Okay,
It's better than cold beans. I
So-
like warm beans better than cold beans.
magsi-cereals kami, mga loves. Ayan. Yan lang ang ano, and Daryl said that I shouldn't open the fridge only once, then
Just do it quick. Like grab
quick,
what you need
okay.
and then close it.
Madilim
quick
ang
because
fridge. Ayan,
we
milk
want to
lang.
keep the stuff cold. So
Ayan, kasi dapat, ayan mga loves, close na. And,
I see what you're doing.
no, I didn't finish it. I'm cleaning
Okay. I was just wondering what it
stove.
was. That makes sense. Let's cut
So-
the bouncy chair so she can at least see what's going on here.
the bowl. Tapos, para kay Daddy yan, madilim. And what else? The spoon, Daddy, in here. Ayan. Ayan. And I'm gonna get more candles from here. You follow me, Daddy, please.
Do we have more candles?
I will get the
This kid is getting very heavy.
it's heavy. So, kukunin ko to. Ayan.
You're a kid.
Para
Don't
may,
put that one or it'll drip wax on the floor.
yeah,
And
para,
that's not going to be good because it'll be hard to clean it out of the carpet.
ayan. So, kakain na kami, mga loves. Ito yung aming love. Ay, nako, ang
There we
hirap.
go. That's our supper date.
Supper
So we're
date.
having a candle dinner.
Yeah, sa 4 years.
Dinner. That's
Sa 4 years na mga love, this is the first time happen here na dito kami nakatira sa Canada, na dito sa bahay namin. First time na ito ang nangyayari sa amin. Wala kaming light. And mga loves, punta ako sa taas kasi I don't know if that heater, yung heater diyan is enough. Pupunta ako sa taas kasi wala akong sweater, nilalamig ako. So, ito sana yung tutupiin ko tonight at ipuput away. Kaso lang mga loves, walang pati ito. Kailangan siyang tupiin kasi walang electricity, kaya hindi ba na ako makapag fold, kaya Ayan na mga loves, nag-sweater na ako. Ang hirap kasi dito mag-brown out o black out dito sa amin kasi iba kung sa Pinas, okay lang sa Pinas brown out.
The next morning.
Good morning everyone. Good morning sa lahat. Si Daryl, ang aga niya. What's the time? I'll check first. It's 9. Magti 10 a.m. na pala mga loves. It is 10 a.m. na dito ng umaga and kanina pa si Daryl nagpupush ng snow. Nag-brown out kahapon o na-black out dahil sa ang kapal ng snow. Parang si Sandoko lang yung buhok ni baby natin. Good morning! Your hair looks like amazing. You're beautiful, huh? Di pa nasuklay ni Mami. Good morning, mga love. So, buntong hininga tayo kasi kagabi nga walang kuryente. Pero bumalik naman siya ng 8:30. Pero, instead na nag-work pa ako dito sa bahay, naglinis, natulog na lang kami ni baby. Tinulugan na lang natin ang brown out or black out. So, first time ko kasi ito na ang tagal talaga ng kuryente bumalik. Kasi usually dito sa Canada, 5 minutes babalik na. Dahil may snowstorm pala kagabi, naggrabe talaga yung snowstorm kahapon at kagabi. So, parang yung power line daw na natabunan ng snow. Ano yun? Hindi ko mag-gets. Na parang ng kahoy ba nung kahoy. Parang nahulog na kahoy tapos sa power line. Parang ganun daw. So, mga loves, pag naman namin, mahirap lang talaga pala pag walang kuryente dito sa Canada. Kasi, iba talaga kasi, di ba sa atin okay lang na walang kuryente, pero dito naman iba kasi yung lahat di kuryente, di ba? Ay nako, pati yung initan ng tubig di kuryente, pati yung stove na paglulutuan di kuryente, lahat di kuryente. Kahit yung heater namin dito mga love sa buong bahay is di kuryente ata, pero I'm happy na yung aming nag-kick in yung aming tatlong fireplace, which is gas. So, nagbabayad din kami ng gas sa separated bill kaysa sa kuryente. So, at least mainit yung bahay rin namin. Pero magasto rin talaga sa gas, mga loves. Kasi papainitin niya yung bahay mo. Ang lamig-lamig. Sobrang lamig dito, mga loves. No, we made it. We made it. Hi everyone! Ang kalat ng buhok. Si Daddy Daryl natin, he already nagtimpla na siya ng bottle kay baby and nagbigay na rin siya ng kape dito sa akin. Kaya ox na ox tayo, di ba? Nakadidi ka na kasi na. Love you. So, ang paligid namin today is full of snow, mga loves. Si Daryl, he's trying to push the snow kasi ang kapal talaga ng snow, ang lalim ng snow, mga loves. So, ayun. At of course, may magpipinta ng aming garahe today. So, ayan, si Daryl.